I was a Southern resident's Lotto Lass and seating Animalik. There's a thief in your house. He never touches your wallet. He just makes everything inside it worth less. That thief is called inflation. And today, I'll show you how he works and who's letting him in. Same paycheck, same shop. Watch what happens to Marco's shopping cart over 10 years. His money didn't shrink. Its power did. Inflation means prices rise, so every coin buys a little less. Where does it come from? Remember the money machine from last episode? When it runs too fast, this happens. More money chasing the same amount of stuff. The stuff wins. Prices climb. Sometimes it's demand. Everyone wants the same thing at once. Sometimes it's costs. Energy and parts get expensive first. Governments track it with a shopping basket, a fixed list of things people buy. Its price is measured every month. But here's the catch. That basket isn't your basket. If rent and food eat your paycheck, your inflation is higher. And it compounds. A few percent a year sounds harmless. Over a decade, a quarter of your money's power, quietly gone. Who gets hurt most? Savers. And everyone on a fixed income. Their bricks melt the fastest. Now the uncomfortable part. Inflation isn't just an accident. For some players, it's useful. If you owe money, inflation shrinks your debt. And who's the biggest borrower of all? The government. Asset owners win too. Houses and businesses ride the wave up. Cash under the mattress sinks. So central banks walk a tightrope. Too much inflation burns savings. Too little, and the economy freezes. Their target is a small, steady rise, around 2%, enough to keep money moving without melting it. So what can you actually do? Rule 1. Money that sits still shrinks. Long-term savings need to work somewhere. Rule 2. Your paycheck must climb the same staircase as prices. If it doesn't, you're taking a silent pay cut every year. And Rule 3. Watch the money machine. When it roars, protect yourself early, not after the prices arrive. Inflation never sleeps, but now you see him. Subscribe, because next week, credit cards, the most expensive money in the world.